Our internship program started 5 years ago, and since the inception of it, I have been part of the recruiting process. It's been great because prior to our internship program, we had a lot of tenured engineers, so we were top heavy with experience and not a lot of younger talent coming in. So that has helped out the talent pool for our engineering department.
It's a full-time internship throughout the summer, and the way that we kind of do our internships is it's a lot of hands-on. They do spend their time out in the shop because it builds that kind of relationship with the manufacturing floor and then how engineering affects the work that they do. I just think it's the best way to learn.
It was nice because in school I was doing a lot of the theoretical classes and stuff. Then I'd come here and see more hands-on applicable stuff. And so it was kind of like a nice mental break from the theory and stuff at school.
Certain units and things that I had worked with in school, I was able to directly apply to FSC.
This internship is like a lab, pretty much a lab where you're doing hands-on work.
It's very important to the students because our internship gives them very good opportunity before they have a formal job.
In school, the student wants to understand what they want to do for a job. So coming up through the engineering team myself, I saw it very beneficial of doing real work and not doing the stuff that everybody else doesn't want to do and get their hands on so they see if it's an industry or a company they want to work with.
And just the flexibility and the balance between work and school is great because you can keep a hand in the manufacturing industry, and your hand still in school.
I worked 3 days a week. I did Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, but they were super flexible. They're like whatever you need to fit around your school schedule.
A mentor is very important in an internship because it almost gives you a fail-safe, and something FSC really told me multiple times was don't be afraid to make a mistake, don't be afraid to fail.
Having a mentor was a really nice part of the internship because then, obviously I'm gonna have a lot of questions coming in to a new place. Having somebody that I knew I could go to talk to, that was really helpful.
If they perform very good during the internship, and it is very possible they can get the job.
Being employed before graduation is obviously nice. It's a relief. Then you're focused on just finishing up those classes, and then you don't have to worry about stress about applications and stuff like that.
And that was really why I went for the internship. I was hoping to find a company that I was able to connect strongly with, and FSC definitely fulfilled that with me. The family atmosphere is really great, and I can work with my people in my department, but also no one is ever afraid to crack a joke or have a good time, which is something that I really enjoy.
It's very much like a family feeling environment. Everybody, you can go to anybody and ask them a question and they'll either direct you to somebody who knows the answer or answer it.
When we get the student or the intern in FSC and show them what we do and they can be a part of what we do, it sells itself.